I got a program called VentuSky. I'm just streaming it off online off my computer. You can stream it on your device, or you can go get the app. There's Florence here. There's Tropical Storm Isaac here, which is heading towards the Lesser Antilles, which is in here. Right now we're just going to concentrate on Florence here. Today's date, and if you want to see the projected track, there's the 13th, which is getting close to land. It's coming very close to Wilmington, North Carolina, which is up the coast from Charleston. Now we'll close this off here and we'll push play. And it'll give you hour by hour. We're on 3rd now, we're up to Friday. 3 a.m., 4. There. Predicted it's making landfall Friday, 5 a.m. And it's turning to the south. And on the right side, on the left side, you've got a whole bunch of controls there. You got waves, humidity, thunderstorms, air pressure, wind. And you can also customize your screen here. You can go to your settings here and you got whole customization here. There you see Olivia is just coming through the Hawaiian Islands now. The 12th of September. That's one of the programs you can look at the hurricanes. Wellington, hurricane warning. Another one, which is windy.com. And you can see Florence there. And I'm going to play it. And let's see if they predict the same. Yeah, they got it pretty close to the same thing as Wilmington, North Carolina, and it's heading south. This one here doesn't show you the names though. Okay, I'll go back to Wednesday here. And there's Isaac coming through. Right in there. There's another tropical storm up on the right in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean there. I don't think it's going to affect us here in North America at all. And I'll go back to Wednesday. There's the Hawaiian Islands right there. And there's their tropical storm.